This is my flashlight. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Today, we're going to tackle the subject that has mystified scores and scores of mall ninjas and gun shop commandos like myself for generations. And that is how to properly mount the tactical flashlight remote switch onto an AR platform. I have the solution. So here's my relatively inexpensive tactical flashlight mounted onto the KeyMod handguard. This is a KeyMod mount that comes with the flashlight. I believe it's actually integral to the flashlight. And I wish to mount the remote switch roughly in this position here, because with my thumb forward grip, I'll be able to activate the flashlight as I need it. As you see, the switch is currently attached with two very tactical and handsome zip ties. That, I don't think, is a great way to mount it. First of all, I don't really want it here. I actually would like to have it here so I can have my thumb forward grip unobstructed and just move it over a little bit to activate the flashlight. But zip ties will not hold it in this position here. There's too much of a gap. But even in this position here, it's really not held that securely. I could probably dislodge it if I move it around just a little bit. There you go. It's gone. So zip ties will not do. I could, however, go with the real tactical way to do it and use black electrical tape. And while I have the electrical tape out, I might as well tape a couple of mags together in the inverted position while holding a commando dagger clamped firmly in my teeth. Or we can go with an alternative approach. Given that my handguard is a key-lock handguard, the logical way to mount something to it is using key locks, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take down a few measurements. And now, with the magic of YouTube and some internet printing, I'm going to produce. Of course, we're going to need KeyMod mounting hardware, which is available from your favorite online retail shop. On to assembly. We have the base and two locking caps here. We just loosely assemble the key lock components. Leaving it quite loose. Position where we want it on the handguard. There we go. And then position the switch. And tighten everything up. Now my switch is locked in, and it's not going anywhere. And so, The decades-old question is answered, finally, right here on this channel, and you were here and saw it first. The 3D printing files for this project are available on Thingiverse, and I'm linking them below this video. Feel free to download, print your own, and enjoy.